Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Hancock, local and long-distance movers near me. Are you looking for professional moving services for carrying a long-distance move safely through the states? If yes, then look no more. 3 Movers is your go-to solution. We are licensed by the federal authorities and can move across the borders without issues. In addition to moving, we also offer packing, unpacking, and setting up services, so you can rest assured with 3 Movers. You can pick a full-service option and let our team handle the moving from scratch, but first, the team will visit your place to evaluate the items to be packed, and it's time to complete the process. Why would you want to put extra time, energy, and money on packing and moving your apartment yourself when you can hire professional movers at reasonable prices? It will save you time, finances, and ensure the safe move of all your belongings. 3 Movers also has helped veterans, students, corporates, military men shift their apartments. In addition, we also help overseas shipping services, which make us all the more suitable for handling all kinds of moving services. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Hancock moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, military moving, residential moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.